Hello, boys and girls. These are our math practice pages. So go ahead and make sure you have the pages in front of you, and we will begin. To begin with, look at number 1 and listen to the story. There is one flamingo standing in the water. 9 more fly over to join it. How many flamingos are there in all? Remember, anytime we hear the words in all, we talked about this during addition. Anytime we hear the words in all, it's like a big flashing light. In all means do your addition, do your addition. Okay? So, listen to this story again. There is one flamingo in the water. 8 more fly over to join it. How many flamingos are there in all? We heard the words in all. Do your addition. Do your addition. So, there is one flamingo in the water. We need to bring down one counter, and we need to write the number 1. We're doing our addition, so we're using the plus sign. 8 more flamingos fly over to join it. We have to bring down 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more fly over to join it, so we have to write our number 8. They have our equal sign there. Remember, addition, we're taking these two groups and we're putting them together. So we put the 1 with the 8. And how many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 of them all together. So we are going to write our number 9 here. And we are finished with this problem, so we are putting all of our counters back up top so that we have a nice clean workspace to work with, okay? Listen to this next problem. Malta sees 7 seagulls. 4 fly away. How many are left? Remember, when we hear all left or away, it's do your subtraction. Do your subtraction. So, Malta sees 7 seagulls. We bring down 7 counters. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are bringing down 7 counters, and we are going to write the number 7 because she sees 7. Away or all left, do your subtraction. So we are going to use our minus sign because that is what's in our subtraction settings. 4 fly away. 4 of them go away. We need to take away 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? We took away our 4. How many are left over here? 1, 2, 3. 3 of them are left, so we are going to write our 3 right here. Make sure you have that written on your paper because I'm going to erase it and we're going to go to the next page. And I moved the picture of our counters over here so they wouldn't interfere with our math problem in writing our numbers. Now, let's look at number 3, right up here. Put your finger right up here on number 3. And that's where we're going to look to begin with. Listen to our math problem for number 3. There are 3 raccoons in a tree. 3 more climb the tree to join them. How many raccoons are there in all? What does it all mean? In all means do your addition. Do your addition. So we know we're going to be using the plus sign, don't we? Now let's listen to our problem again and see if we can figure out what numbers to use. Let's look up here at number 3 to begin with. Okay, let's listen to the problem. There are 3 raccoons in a tree. 3 more join them. How many are there in all? So we're going to bring down 3. And we're going to draw 3 counters here. Remember, we said in all means we do our addition. So we're going to work with the plus sign. Okay? How many raccoons were there to begin with? 1, 2, 3. And we could have counted our dots up here. We're going to erase where I underlined for number 3 because I don't want you to get confused and think that's a dot we drew. 3 more raccoons join them. How many counters are we drawing? 3. And on our workspace, we can bring down 3 more. So we are adding 3. How many raccoons are there in all? We take these 2 groups and we push them together. Or if we're drawing, we draw a circle around them. How many are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 in all. Let's look at our counters we drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 in all. Okay, look over here at number 4. First of all, I'm going to clear my workspace off here because I always want to begin with a nice clean workspace. Okay, let's listen. Marta sees 9 turtles swimming in a pond. 5 dive under the water. How many are left? All left means do your subtraction. Do your subtraction. So we know right away we're using the minus sign for this. So we're going to start with a group and we're going to take some away from the group. So let's look at this. Marta sees 9 turtles swimming in a pond. What is the number word? 9. So if I'm drawing counters, I could draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I'm using counters, I can bring down 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 counters or 9 dots for 9 turtles. Now let's see how many are left. We're beginning with 9, so I'm putting 9 down. We know that some will go away because it says how many are left. 5 turtles dive under the water. How many were under the water? 5. That's how many we're taking away. So we write our 5 and we put a mark. 1, 2. We're going to do that in a different color so you don't get confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or on my counter board here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm taking away 5. Either way, I'm either marking them out or I'm taking them away here. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. I've done the problem 2 different ways and I have the same answer. So there are 4 turtles left. Let's look down here at number 5 where the little hand is. To begin with, what do I need to do with my workspace? I need to clear it off and put all of my counters back up at the top out of the way. Now, let's listen to this problem. There are 7 beavers in the water. 4 swim away. How many beavers are left? All left means what? Do your subtraction. Do your subtraction. So, all left, we're going to minus. We're going to use our minus sign. Now, let's listen to our math words, our number words. There are 7 beavers in the water. How many beavers are there to begin with? There are 7. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm also, since I'm showing you how to use counters, I'm going to bring down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beavers, 7 counters, okay? And what number am I going to write here once I get my thin pencil back? I'm going to write the number 7 because that's how many counters we drew to begin with, isn't it? We're using the minus sign because it says 4 swim away. How many swam away? 4 of them did. So we're going to mark out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we're going to take away 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? Well, first of all, write your 4 right here because that's how many we're taking away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. 3 are left, and I have 3 right here. Let's look at number 6. I'm putting all my counters back up at the top. All out of the way. See, all up there out of the way. Let's listen to the problem. Malta sees 6 ducks in the lake. 2 more join them. How many ducks are there in all? In all means what? Do your addition. Do your addition. So, what math sign do we use for addition? We use the plus sign. Now, let's listen again for the number words. Malta sees 6 ducks in a lake. We begin with 6. We write our number 6, and we are going to draw 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either way, we have 6. Let me straighten those up a little. There we go. Now, listen closely. 2 more join them. How many are we going to draw now? We're going to draw 2 more. And we're going to write our number 2. Here, we need to bring down 2 counters. 6 plus 2 equals. Plus addition means what? We take these 2 groups and we put them together. So what we want to do is we are going to draw a circle around all of our dots to show they're all in one group. How many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did 2 different ways to use this. I drew counters and I used actual buttons for counters. I reached the number 8 both ways, so I'm pretty sure 8 is the correct answer here. Make sure you have this written. I'm going to erase it and we're going to look at the next page. This page is your performance assessment. So I need you to try to do this page yourself. I'm going to read the problem to you. Are you ready? Listen closely. I know I took the the picture of me away, didn't I? Because you don't need to see what I'm doing now, because I'm not showing you anything. I'm just reading to you. Listen to this problem. Carlos collects stamps. He has 9 stamps in all. He puts 1 stamp on the cover. He puts the rest inside the book. How many stamps does Carlos put inside his stamp book? What are you trying to find out? Will you use addition or subtraction to solve the problem? What tool do you think you can use to solve the problem? Tell your mom or dad who's helping you what tool you'll use and why you'll use it. Could you write the equation? Let's listen to the problem again. Carlos collects stamps. He has 9 stamps in all. He puts 1 stamp on the cover. He puts the rest inside the book. How many stamps does Carlos put inside his stamp book? I'm anxious to see how you solve this problem when I look at your paper. Thank you for doing this video with me and have a great day.